And I've got good news for you mga kaibigan because the Royal Premium Plus program has given you 18 ways of earnings and incentives. Take note ulitin ko, 18 ways of earnings and incentives. So number 1, let's talk about the retailing program. Pag sinabing retailing program mga kaibigan, you being a distributor of Royal, you can get the products in our offices or whether in our branches at a discounted price at pagkatapos, ibebenta nyo na sila sa labas ng SRP. So with that alone, meron na kayong tinatawag na retail profit. Number 2 income, the direct referral income. Ano ba itong direct referral? Ang ibig sabihin ho neto, every time you get to sell the gold package, you will get a commission of 5,000 pesos. You heard me right, 5,000 pesos. And the best part, the more gold package you sell, the more 5,000 you'll get. And all you have to do is to form 2 sets of group. Group A and Group B. At ang Group A and Group B, every time may bumibili ng gold packages sa Group A and Group B, the company will give you a sales match bonus worth 5,000 pesos. And can you imagine habang dumadami yan ng gold packages ang left at right group mo, palaki din ang palaki, parami ng parami ang iyong 5,000 pesos. And the best part, yung pinag-usapan natin a while ago was only the package pairing. This time, product pairing naman. You heard me right, all our Korean products, automatic lahat yun, magpe-pair yun. So every time your Group A uses a product and Group B uses a product, magma-match din yun. And the company will still give you additional bonus. Now remember, you have purchased the gold package. Ang kinagandahan ng package na binili ninyo is that, remember, meron ho kayong naimbitahan. Ibig sabihin ngayon, you will also get another commission and we call that the override bonus. Ano ba yung override bonus? Ang ibig sabihin nito, lahat ng kikitaing income ng inyong mga naimbitahan, yung cheque nila, ulitin ko yung cheque, hindi ang benta. Ang cheque nila, base sa match bonus, meron ka pang commission doon na 5%. Now, imagine mo mga kaibigan, kung yung naimbitahan mo ay kumita ng 100,000, may commission ka pang 5,000 pesos. Kung ang cheque naman nila is 200,000, may commission ka namang 10,000 pesos on top doon sa kinita mo na sa benta nila. And now, for the next income, we call it the unilevel income. Ano ba itong unilevel income? Mga kaibigan, ang unilevel income, ibig sabihin, may kikitain ka pang 5% sa lahat ng taong bumibili ng products within your organization. Isn't that exciting mga kaibigan? But guess what? There's more. Because with Royal mga kaibigan, with this Premium Plus program, meron din tayong mga 3 klaseng incentives. Number 1, we have the luxury shopping incentives. Number 2, we have the travel incentives. At number 3, we also have the car incentives. So now mga kaibigan, with all the incomes na makukuha nyo kay Royal and also the incentives, you think you got it all? Not yet. Because now, I'm going to present to you the ZAM Realty. Ano ba yung ZAM Realty mga kaibigan? It is a real estate company na sister company po ng Royal owned by the Castañeda family. And this property is located less than an hour away from Subic. Isn't that exciting guys? And with this mga kaibigan, being a Royalista, you now have the chance to own a property of your own and at the same time, sell this real estate. Ang kinagandahan nito mga kaibigan, with this mga kaibigan, every time you get to sell the property, may commission ka ng cash and at the same time, may commission ka pang packages from Royal. Isn't that exciting? Royal is like a one-stop shop for your health, wellness, beauty, and at the same time, property. A house for every Filipino. So mga kaibigan, with all the things that you've heard, are you not excited? Are you not more ecstatic to join this wonderful company, Royal? So if I were you mga kaibigan, remember this always. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So take the step 1, move forward, and together, let us achieve our dreams through the power of Royal. To God be the glory, guys.